Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working shell and SSH key pair. Open the terminal now and check your shell with echo $shell so you know the environment. Create or load SSH keys with SSH keygen and SSHadd because secure remote work saves time. Once done, verify connectivity to a host. Make sure to test basic file commands like ls and cd to confirm permissions and paths before moving on. You now build a fast workflow: master tab completion and reverse history search, Ctrl+R, to avoid retyping. Pipe commands with to transform output, and combine checks with and or fallback actions with so scripts behave predictably. Create aliases in your shell RC file for frequent commands and write small functions for multi-step tasks. This reduces errors and speeds repetition. Once your aliases load, test them and refine names so you remember their purpose. You finish by validating outcomes. Redirect important output to logs with T or so you have a record. Verify files and services using stat, diff, systemctl, or tailf to watch live updates, because confirmation prevents silent failures. If something breaks, check permissions, running processes, and recent logs. Restarting the service or reverting the last change often resolves issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, run commands with n or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.